We begin with order, symmetry, predictability.
But order is fragile. Entropy always rises. Energy spreads. Structure dissolves into randomness.
Once mixed, order cannot fully return.
Entropy is time made visible. Disorder is easy. Order demands effort.
Time is the measure of change.
All things decay. Entropy writes history.
Even the cosmos stretches, energy thinning. Stars die, scattering elements into space. On Earth, time builds and erases landscapes.
We live entropy in our bodies.
Creation begins with energy.
Life is order fighting entropy.
Intellect reshapes the world. Knowledge bends nature's rules.
Through creation, order resists time.
Ideas preserve order beyond generations.
Intellect transforms energy into progress.
Now, we build virtual worlds of order.
Does order emerge by chance or by design?
Patterns echo through creation.
Some see design as proof of a designer.
Others see chance sculpting complexity. For millennia, humans asked, does God exist?
We search with reason as well as faith.
Some find God in spirit, others in equations.
Why are the laws of physics so precise? Entropy grows. Time flows. Creation continues.
Perhaps the answer is not found, but lived.